Hi guys, welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you know very well that in our last tutorial we had learned how we can resolve conflicts. In today's tutorial we will be learning about rebase command of Git. What actually rebase command is and why we need that. Let's go ahead and try to discuss about it in detail. So let me talk about a bit regarding merging conflicts. There are two ways what we had learned. One is fast forward merge and the other one is three-way merge. Fast forward is called linear merge. As you know very well, we had learned 2 tutorials back, and last tutorial we had learned how we can resolve the conflicts between three-way merge as well. So the actual overview of merging, already we had already learned those in our last tutorials. So let's go ahead and try to learn about three-way merge, in which we will be understanding what the actual working of Git Rebase is. So let's say in three-way merge I have a master branch in which I will do one commit named as MC1, then I will do another commit MC2, and then I will move to another branch named as feature branch, where I will make another commit named as FC1. I will create another commit FC2 inside feature branch. Then I'll move back to my master branch and create another commit there, MC3. So if you will check a code at that point in feature branch, you will get four different commits: MC1, MC2, MC1, and FC2. If you will check master branch, you will get MC1, MC2, and MC3. If you will try to merge them in three-way merge, you will get some sort of conflict. There is possibility of that, and there will be a merge commit that is represented with green circle here already. So for feature branch, my base commit is actually MC2. So make sure that what will be your base commit, because if once you will do rebase, your base commit will move or will changed. So how? Let's go ahead and we will check Git Rebase. What is actually happening in Rebase? You guys need to know in Rebase what actually we are doing is we are removing the three-way or graph hierarchy and creating our merge to linear form, same as fast forward merge. Then we can merge it easily. How we can do that? Let's say I have a master branch and I have 3 different commits in it, MC1, 2, and 3, and then I have a feature branch with 2 different commits, MC1, FC1, and FC2. If I will use rebase from feature branch to master branch, what will happen is my FC1 and FC2 commits will be moved from MC2 branch to the MC3 branch, where we will move all the commits those are available in the current branch will be moved to the latest commit of your master branch or the branch you will pass in the rebase command. Okay, and make this FC1 and FC2 that is moved after MC3 will have always a different commit ID. Git will create a copy of your feature branch and then paste it in front of your current latest commit, and after that Git will discard the old commits. In that scenario, what will happen after discarding your old commits? Your base commit for the feature branch will be changed from MC2 to MC3. So let's move forward to our terminal and try to implement that one with the help of an example. I'm in my Git folder, mkdir. I will make directory rebase. I will go inside cd rebase. I will go inside my rebase directory. Let me make it here. It's fine. Let's forward. So git init. First I will initialize an empty git repo clear git log -1 line. You can say the logs. There is nothing. Okay. First of all, I will do vim mc1.txt. I will create a file named as mc1.txt. I will write text inside it mc1. I'll hit save and I will close it. So git add dot full semicolon git commit -m mc1 commit. Okay, As soon as I will hit, my MC1 commit is created already. Similarly, I will create MC2 as well. So once I will create MC2, I will add a text MC2 inside it. I will save the file, and after saving, I will just add and I will do commit for MC2. So I had created 2 commits in my master branch. If I will check now, log 1 line, or I will check log 1 line master on master branch, you can say I have 2 commits available inside my master branch, MC1 and MC2. What I have to do is, per my example, I have to switch to new branch, git checkout -b, and it will be feature branch. I am in the new feature branch. Let me clear it. And if I will do commit here, I will add a new file first. Git vim fc1. I will create new file fc1. Inside that one, I will add a text fc1, and after that, I will save the file. And then after that, git add and git commit fc1. Okay. If I will check my feature branch logs, you guys can see I have 1 commit available currently, fc1, and 2 of them, those are coming from my master branch. So my base commit for feature branch is MC2, and MC1 and MC2, 2 commits, or the commits before all that base commit available is copied when we created the new branch, and currently I had done 1 commit inside my FC1 commit inside my feature branch. I will do another commit FC2. I had created a file, and I will git add and git commit FC2. So if I will check one now, my feature branch have 4 multiple commits. 2 came from my master branch and 2 I have done inside my feature branch. So what I will do now is I will switch back to my master branch and I will create the 3rd commit there. Git checkout. This time I will not pass -b because I'm not creating new branch. Master is already available. So git checkout my master. I am inside my master branch. If I will clear, I will check the log 1 line for my master branch. You guys can see I have just 2 commits available in my master branch. I will say git vim mc3.txt. Inside this one, I will write commit MC. I will write something text mc3 and I'll save the file. It's just a dump what I'm adding inside the files. You can, actually for sure there will be some sort of code for you guys. So I will just create commit for this as well. Git add and git commit mc3. I'm doing all the things in single line, so you guys, to save time actually, just understand it. I'm just doing commits, nothing else. So if I will check the log for master branch now, in master branch I have 3 multiple commits, that is MC1, MC2 and MC3. If I will check the logs for feature branch, I have how many commits? I have 4 commits available, MC1, MC2, FC1 and FC2. MC2 is my base commit. Now I will move forward to git checkout featu feature branch. Okay. From feature branch, what I have to do here is git rebase master. What I have to do, I am telling to git is all the commits available in this branch, the commits that I have done in this branch, not the commit that this branch has copied from the base commit, just the commits that I have done in this branch, move them in front of the latest commit of master branch. So as soon as I will hit enter, my rebase is done. Now what I will do here is I will check my logs for my feature branch, so you guys can see MC3 commit is already available inside the log, and that's actually the base commit for my feature branch. If I will check my master branch, you guys can see my master branch head is already exactly on the same place where I left. So what I have to do here is I have to simply merge these 2 branches by using fast forward merge. Why? Because I had moved single linear line for my commits by using rebase. So let's move forward. Git checkout, I will move back to master branch and I will say git merge feature branch. So git merge feature branch, very sorry. So you guys can see my branches are merged by using fast forward method. Rebase will allow you to create a linear line for the branch that you had created and all the commits available inside that branch. After that, it will be very rare you will get any kind of conflict, or sometimes it's difficult for you to go on and accept the code of each file and resolve the conflicts manually. So if I will check, let me clear and I will show you the git log -one line and minus graph. Now you can see the -one line, sorry. Now you can see the graph for my Git already. So my both branches are available inside my FC2 commits, and all the commits that I have done are available in linear format. So this is actually the basics of Rebase. I hope you guys had understand it. Still, if you guys have any question, any query, you can comment us. You can reach us to our mailbox as well. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.